Hi, good morning from Austria, Europe. Now is 5:40 a.m. in the morning. Welcome to my channel and thank you so much for watching, guys. And please don't forget to subscribe, likes and share. So, as you can hear now, the birds are singing because in the morning in Austria that is normal for the birds that they are singing. So beautiful. It's still very dark because 5:40 a.m. is too early in the morning now in Austria. So I am now waiting for my bus going to my work. So now it's coming. So I have to get inside soon. So I get inside in the bus now. Morgan. So the actual temperature now is 10 to 12 grad, 5:42 a.m. So today is colder than yesterday. Yesterday is the temperature is until 16 grad Celsius, but now is 5 to 6 grad below. So that is normal though in Austria, Europe. The weather is in April, and between April and May is the weather sometimes between 10 to 20 grad. So there is a time or week or day that the weather is until below 10 grad Celsius, but sometimes it's also about until 25 grad Celsius. So that is the weather in April and May. It's always change. So it's not new for us as population in Austria because we know already that the weather is changed. So I'm going up again to my work today. It's 6.5 hours my duty. And as I know, the whole day is without, it's just cloudy weather. So, and raining and snowing light. So, thanks God that I'm working. So, it's not really it's not a problem for me because I almost half day of my time is in the work. So after working, I have little bit maybe to the market, and then walking and going home, chatting with some friends and family, and the next day is again working. So because we have still lockdown until April 18, so we cannot travel more than 10 kilometers from where we are living. So no choice, just working and walking, listening music, dancing, walking. I cannot good dance, I can't dance good, but I'm dancing alone or with my son. So because internet is really great, because the people that very far from the family is they have second choice to enjoy themselves using the internet, like singing, dancing. So it's really helpful for us. Like I am from the Philippines, and sometimes I miss my family, friends. Most of all the foods that we have, different kinds of vegetables, fruits, fish. That is really the one that I love in our country. But in Austria also we have good food here, like green salad, fruits, apple, and pears, and everything. Grapes are so much in Austria. But there is every country had own as beautiful sight and different cultures. But I love the people here because they are very busy with work and hobbies, like biking, running, walking, hiking, and swimming. So that is the people in Austria. So except work, so work first, and then hobbies. They are very careful with the natures. They have enough trees and enough flowers, and the river are very clean, and they have a lot of river and lakes where they can also swim through. That very clean country. The trash can are orderly placed everywhere. So really nice and good example also for the other world. So ayan po ang masasabi ko sa Pilipinas, na siguro ayan na po ang pagkakataon natin bilang mga Pilipino, na kailangan din talaga natin mag-ingat sa kalikasan. Huwag natin itapon ang ating mga basura kahit saan, kasi masarap po tingnan ang paligid at ang ilalim ng bahay at ang paligid ng bahay kung wala po tayong basura na tinatapon. Simple lang, ilagay lang natin yung ating basura sa isang tabi, sa plastic. Basta sa isang tabi lang siya na hindi nakakalat bawat sulok. Kasi po nakakatulong din tayo sa ating kalikasan kung tayo mismo bawat Pilipino huwag magtapon ng basura sa hindi dapat tinatapon. So maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Please subscribe, share, and like. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.